In a friend's warehouse, a machine has been found. The 4-cylinder Honda CBR600 motorcycle has not been used for many years. Look at the sloppy appearance of the motorbike. I feel a little guilty, determined to revive it, let the car regain its former glory. After replacing it for the price of a cell phone, this friend gave me another small motorbike. Suddenly, I felt like I was a little lost. 4-cylinder motorcycles have long been discontinued. Look at the current appearance of the car. I don't know what it's been through. There are signs of demolition everywhere. Throttle body covered with dust. The wiring throughout the car is a real mess. Even thrift is tiring. Luckily, the front and rear tires are still in pretty good shape. It's annoying when even the coil breaks. The chip key was also lost. It will cost a few hundred more. Created a chip key. I can't wait to install the anti-theft oil and ignition. Installed with computer motherboard, the long-awaited test run is about to begin. This tool was normal. I think making chip keys will solve all problems. The engine stop relay has been checked and found to be normal. The fuel pump relay signal wire is not connected to the negative terminal. Looking at these complicated speed limits, no instrument testing. There is no good solution yet. Give me a few days to think about it. This Honda CBR600, after many days of research, the high voltage flameless circuit has not yet been found. Reasons why the pump does not self-test. No instrument testing. To find out the problem as soon as possible, I decided to integrate the motor with the vehicle's wiring, dragged to a place 700 kilometers away. To save time, leading the way to the destination under the cover of night. After 9 hours of driving, we finally made it there. I can't wait to get the entire car's wiring in place. Remove the engine. Hopefully this issue can be resolved as soon as possible. The elder brother patiently explained, answered my various questions. The problem that had been bothering me for days was easily solved. It is also under continuous testing. No pump circuit failure and no spark problem. I thought failure had been perfectly solved. Rewire the entire vehicle's wiring system. Also, clean and inspect the oil pump. Wow, this oil looks amazing. Flooded sanitation. All main fuel injectors. Test by simple method. Now, I can rest assured. Go back and take it slow. I said a simple goodbye to my brother. They started denying it. The first thing to do is clean the fuel injectors. Check that the fuel injectors are working properly. Fortunately, it was only impurities that caused the blockage. Once you're done cleaning, you can turn it off. Waiting for your arms. All the efforts these past few days have been worth it. I'll give you a full checkup later. Replace some parts as a whole. It can be fully restored. The next step is to disassemble the entire car, to prepare for further repairs and renovations. My sister-in-law can also use the genuine product. Eliminate, you do everything. because you have. The entire car has now been completely disassembled. Next step. That means removing the entire engine. A complete overhaul. Hey, why are you starting the engine? Move the engine into the room and place it on a shelf. No vegetables. Yes, drive into the house and take an umbrella. At least show me how to wash dishes. That would be more helpful. Come on, help me down. This Honda CBR600 engine. It was also destroyed and repaired at some point in the past. Decades-old car. I wonder what the condition of the engine is like inside. Now, I will disassemble the entire engine. Let's see what's inside. I can be heartbroken. I was lost. The generator line is fine. So beautiful and wonderful. I have given you so much that I want to receive here.
Boy, oh, boy.
After half a day, the engine has been completely disassembled. Even the most important zigzag tiles show little work. The dry piston liner is also within normal range. Now I can rest assured. Next, it's about getting some engine parts. A thorough cleaning, grinding and sing to me. Since you left, I have been lost without a trace. I was dreaming the night I saw your face. poured out pretty cleanly. The effect is not bad. Below are all the components of the entire engine. Everything is clean and tidy. Spray paint on some side covers. Then the engine can be assembled. Too far. Why do I see you? Why do I see you? Go too far. I was torn in half. I am a shining cup. What I saw, I said, hurt my bed. The engine is in better condition than expected. It has returned to its original state. The next step is to work on the chassis. Wheel axle, shock absorbers, discharge section. You are loved. I did too. Heading there. I love you. It took days to scrub. Finally, a series of parts were assembled together. Organize it in a visible way. Next, it refers to components whose surfaces need to be cleaned. Place in small parts. Clean thoroughly with oil inside. Then install the oil seal. Replace all shock absorber, oil. This can be considered a major comprehensive maintenance. White horse and make every part smooth and clean. Then you can start spraying. All parts are now processed. Small motorbike. There are too many steps to take. Deceiving superiors and subordinates. I'm so tired. Fortunately, the effort paid off. The next step is to assemble the entire car. Finally, we have reached the overall assembly stage. Look at all the parts ready to be completed. There is a feeling of impatience, the urge to assemble it. Follow the camera to experience immersive ride-hailing service. declaration you will stay. I look around, but it's you. I can't tell. I was the person I wanted to be. The water tank was deformed immediately. Basically, all are blocked. The frame is bad too. The only way to clean it is by hand. This Honda CBR600 took over a month to build. The car has been fully assembled. All that's left is to give it the outer coat. A complete overhaul. Body panels of the entire vehicle. Each piece has varying degrees of cracking and damage. The principle of, if it can be repaired, never replace it. The only way to clean it is by hand. After a few days, the entire exterior of the car has been completely restored. I did not redraw his appearance. They just need to repaint the damaged and chipped areas. The entire board is polished thoroughly. Then spray them several times with a spray bottle. All preparations are complete. Finally, we have come to the final conclusion. The outer shell has been completely installed. This decade-old 4-cylinder motorcycle is nearing completion.
Oh.